About 1,400 construction workers and residents of 2 residential blocks have been ordered to be tested after COVID cases were confirmed. Hong Kong registered 104 infections today, with one-third having no known source of transmission. Grace Ma reports.
Hong Kong saw an uptick of 104 COVID cases today, the second straight day of triple-digit infections, as the total since January jumped to 7,179. Around a third of the 99 new locally contracted cases had an unknown source of transmission. Growing clusters in 2 housing estate blocks prompted health authorities to order their residents to undergo tests. But the estates in Kwai Chung and Ma On Shan will not be sealed off. Mandatory screening was ordered for people living in Block 8 of Kwai Shing West Estate after 4 new infections expanded the cluster in the public housing estate to 22. In Ma On Shan, residents of Kam Wai House and Kam Fung Court also have to take compulsory tests after 5 confirmed cases were recorded there. Another group that has been ordered to be tested comprises of 1,400 construction workers at the Tseung Kwan O Lam Tin Tunnel. This came after a 19-year-old worker was diagnosed with COVID, and 5 others were found to be preliminary positive, although they worked different shifts.
They have a container for changing room and resting sometimes, so they may share some of the facilities, and that's why probably that's the reason for their small outbreak among them. But because I think there are many workers working there, that's why we are asking the other workers to undergo testing as well.
At the Yatta department store in Sha Tin, another infection saw that cluster increasing to 10. Staff on the first and second floors have to be screened. Hong Kong's largest cluster so far, the Dance Club Group, is edging towards 700 after 12 more infections took the tally to 690. At the Asia World Expo quarantine facilities, another worker fell ill as the total there climbed to 13. An elderly woman died in Queen Mary Hospital this afternoon, taking Hong Kong's fatality toll from COVID to 113. The 85-year-old, who was also suffering from chronic illnesses, was isolated at Asia World Expo after testing preliminary positive before her condition worsened. Grace Ma, HKBC.